It was tough because I said so. I sowed that words. I spoke that words into the atmosphere. And that time, it was very tough in my life. I had a job, yes. I had a car, yes. I had my wife, I had my children there, Jaden that time. But life was tough. You know what? The father of the house, he released that words from here. My words supposed to be, I know I can make it. With Christ all things are possible. You've not given me a spirit of fear, but of power and of a love and of a sound mind. God, I know if David could defeat, the Goliath, I can also do it. I know, Father, that this is only temporary. I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna make it. No, family, but we choose to say the wrong things.